I have money, government has money to build 117 secondary schools in this country. But for 2-3 years, we've been struggling to persuade people to give us land. Well, Nabagani. We've been discussing with the religious leaders, including the Catholic Church, since last year. Now, the last meeting, I think, was on Thursday, where we met all the bishops, we met all the Bakuru. We want the 117 secondary schools built in all the parishes that are sub-counties without.
Oh, 25 years. Oh my God.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.